In this section, we're going to look at some of the most popular packages in the Python community. So you're going to learn how to work with Excel spreadsheets, PDF files, send text messages, automate browsers, scrape websites, and so on. These have a lot of applications in the real world. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you know that we're only going to look at the basics of these packages because each of these packages has so much detail that goes beyond the scope of this course. You need to look at their documentation to learn these additional details on your own. So in this section, I just want to show you what is out there for you and how you can use it. Now, as you go through this section, it is possible that some of these packages may not work on your machine as you see in these videos. There are basically two reasons if this happens. The first reason is that you didn't follow the instructions exactly as I showed you in the video. Maybe you had a typo, or you missed a space, or you didn't use the lowercase or uppercase letters exactly like how I type. So first, make sure to follow each step exactly as I show you. Now, if you still encounter an error, then chances are there's something wrong on your machine. And unfortunately, I won't be able to help you with that because every machine is different. I don't know what software you have installed or whether you have changed any of the configuration settings. So you need to resolve this issue on your own. How? All you have to do is simply copy paste the error messages you get in Google. I can promise you're not the only person on this planet who encountered these problems. I'm pretty sure there are other people who have faced the same situation. You're not the first one or the only one in the world. With all that, let's get started.